Okay guys, welcome back. I got this WEN variable speed rotary tool kit from Amazon. It's a model 23190 and it was 33 bucks. So I hope it was worth it. I've been wanting a rotary tool for a while and this is very inexpensive. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. This kit includes a lot of extras. Comes in this nice carrying case. Here's the actual tool. It has this nice handle on it. Like I said, there's a lot of extras in here. Comes with a lot of stuff. It also comes with this attachment to where you don't have to actually hold the tool. You could attach it and then you could use this end like a pin. Some documentation. That's basically it right there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get this set up to kind of test it out. See how it works. I think I am going to try this one first. Press that button right there to lock it in place, then you turn that to loosen it. Slide it in there and then use the included tool to tighten it down. I'm going to start out at the low speed. Looks like it's got a little bit of wobble in it. I'm going to take it back out. I'm going to put it farther in there, farther into the collar, see if that gets rid of that wobble. It still has a slight wobble to it, but overall it'll work. Max speed. That works pretty great. I'm going to try the flex shaft right now, see how that works. And I'm going to try this one. Now to loosen this one up, there's a hole there. You could put this tool that comes with it into there, and then you could loosen it up or tighten it. Put that in there. So on this end, this cable is able to slide in and out. I think you want to pull it out a little bit, like so. Then you're going to use the 1/8 inch one. There's no identifying marks on it, but I measured it. There's an 1/8 inch, and I think a smaller one and a bigger one that comes with this. Right there. Press that button to lock it in place, and then you're going to put that in there. Tighten it down like so, and then screw on this collar. Now we should be in business and this should work. Spinning. Got a lot of vibration in this thing, It kind of tickles the hand when you're holding it, but overall it works great. I think this is a great tool for 32 bucks or 33 bucks, whatever it was. I bought this on Amazon. Comes with some polishing compounds. Comes with really everything that you would need. Thanks for watching.